here's a few pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. It's basically mine run material. No real huge gemstones, I don't think, but it's being sold cheaply so you can get a feel of using the material. I'll zoom in so you get a better look. Okay, I've zoomed in. This first piece would probably, if you cut it through there first, would probably split. It's got a natural crack along there. Might end up with a pair. So basically you've got to decide where you're going to cut this perhaps, and then use that as the top, grind that down, see what sort of stone you end up with. But as I said, it's being sold as practice mine run material. Piece of carite it feels like. It's very heavy, that piece. That, just cut and polish that as the face. Get two out of it perhaps. Stone off the top to start with. Right, that's given you an idea. Hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.